Hello friends, welcome to my channel SBology. I am here today with the unboxing of the all new Tagg Verve Plus smartwatch which was launched on Flipkart last week at a limited price point deal of Rs 1899. Let's begin the unboxing. The smartwatch comes with a classy package as you can see. It has a slogan bigger, better, bolder. You can use this QR code to download the app from the Google Play or the App Store. It supports both Android and iOS smartphones. It is a feature-packed smartwatch with a display of 1.69 inches. It has a lot of features like real-time heart rate monitor, temperature monitor, BP monitor, and blood oxygen levels. The interesting fact about this watch is it can also measure your body temperature. It comes with the MRP of Rs 4999, but it is available for a limited period of time for Rs 1899 on Flipkart. On opening the package, you'll see the smartwatch. It has a very classy and premium look. It comes with a silicone strap and metal body. This is how the watch looks. On the backside of the watch, there are a lot of sensors which are used for measuring the skin temperature, heart rate, BP, blood oxygen. It has a magnetic charging port which is very useful and easy to use. This is how classy the watch looks. It has a very premium finish. Other than the smartwatch, we get a charging cable as well as some documentations in the box. This is how the charging cable is. The quality is not that premium but okay for the price point. This is the magnetic charger which can be easily fitted to the watch. There is no charger included in the box. We have to use our own old chargers. These are a few of the documentations that comes with the watch. We have some rewards and some user manual and other stuffs. Let's remove the screen protector and turn on the watch. I'm very excited to see how the UI looks. This is how the default dialer looks. The screen is sharp and bright enough. On swiping bottom, you can see the notifications. Swiping right shows up body temperature. Swiping up shows some setting, and swiping left you can see menu. There are a lot of options in the menu. Let's explore them one by one. We have status, training, heart rate, blood oxygen, temperature, BP, sleep, weather, message, music. That's quite a lot of options. In the training section, we have 16 sports modes like outdoor running, cycling, skipping, swimming, badminton, table tennis, walking, basketball, football, yoga, sit-ups, indoor running. These options are easily sufficient for a normal user. Then we have a heart rate option. Now currently there are no readings because we are not wearing it on the hand. It has some sort of sensor to detect whether it's on skin. Then we have a blood oxygen measurement. We can see the sensors turning up. There is no measurement coming up because it's not weared on a hand. Then we have the temperature. Temperature reading is shown in degrees Celsius. We have a real-time temperature monitoring system, which is quite exciting. Then there is a BP option, which shows your high and low BP levels. Then we have the weather option, which tells us today's weather status. We're not seeing any readings because it's not synced with the smartphone yet. Then we have music controls, more, where we have stopwatch, timer, flashlight, and find me. Flashlight turns the display to white. On the settings, we have dial, brightness, info, and turn off feature. These are all the menu options we have in the smartwatch. Menu side, we have brightness control, which goes in steps of 25, 50, 75 and 100. The display is quite bright enough and is visible in the daylight. Then we have the notification turn on or off feature and a settings option. There are three default dials available on the smartwatch. The dials are nice and informative. Swiping right takes us to body temperature, heart rate, weather, distance covered, step count, and so on. This is how watch looks and feel on your hand. It's quite premium look for such a price point. Let's see how the measurement works. Currently I'm measuring the body temperature. It took around 10 seconds for this measurement and it's telling the body temperature is 35.4 degrees Celsius. Let's check the heart rate sensing. This tells the real-time heartbeats per second and we can see the readings are changing as well. Let's quickly test the blood oxygen level. This test took a quite long time of around 30 seconds and let's see how the readings are. Okay, it has measured the SpO2 and it's 98%. All the features are working smoothly and the UI is very smooth. Let's try the BP. BP measurement also took some time, around 25-30 seconds, and we can see it is showing both high and low BP values. Let's download the Tagg app from the Google Play Store and sync the smartwatch with the smartphone. The app is around 30 MB in size. The app is now installed. Let's open and see what features it has. It asks for few permission. Let's click on agree. We'll ignore this as of now. Let's set all this randomly just to show the interface. It's asking for your weight. I'm just setting a random value so that we can see how the interface looks. It's asking to turn on the Bluetooth. Let's turn on the Bluetooth and select the device. As you can see, the watch is listed. I'm clicking on it to pair it with a smartwatch. The watch is paired successfully. This is how the menu looks on the app. We have a lot of options here. Let's explore them. We have auto test option for few of the options as well, like the heart rate and the blood oxygen monitor. We have the dial center. We can choose the custom dial as well, and there are around more than 100 plus faces available in the default dialer. Let's try to sync one of the dial. It took around 40-50 seconds to sync this dial, and that's the time it takes. And it depends on the size of the dial as well. The dial is successfully synced. We have options like clock reminder, notifications, messages, sedentary reminder, a rise to wake display. This is quite a good options. I will show how it works later in the video. Then we have shake to take picture, which you can use to take photos from your smartphone. The app has quite a good options. I tried to upgrade the watch, but it has the latest version right now. This is how the UI looks. You have all the features available here, and it syncs with the smartwatch to get all this data. Let's see if the weather has come up. Yeah, you can see the weather value has come up. This is how rise to wake works, and it is working very accurately. Let's see the accuracy of the sensors present on the smartwatch by comparing it with some medical grade devices. I have a BP machine, pulse oximeter and a thermometer. First, let's try with the temperature sensor. For the thermometer to give the accurate reading, it has to be kept underarm, and my underarm reading is 33.8 degrees Celsius and the watch shows up 35.4 degrees Celsius. The readings are not quite bad, it's more or less accurate. It has a difference of around 1.5 degrees Celsius, which is acceptable. Let's try the pulse oximeter readings. The smartwatch is showing a heartbeat of 92, 91, 90, and the pulse oximeter is showing a reading of 88, 89, 90. What I am amazed to see is the heart rate reading is much accurate. It's matching with the pulse oximeter readings. That's quite good. Let's try the SpO2 measurement. SpO2 measurement on the watch takes around 40 seconds to get the readings. So it's 97% on the smartwatch and pulse oximeter as well. I retried the test and the result was quite similar. Let's try the BP monitor test. I'm measuring the BP on both smartwatch and BP machine. The BP readings are 11271 on the watch. It's 11488 on the BP meter. Let's see if the watch tries to read the temperature or tries to measure the heart rate on a non-skin surface. As we can see, the watch is trying to measure the heart rate, SpO2 as well as BP and temperature on a non-skin surface as well. The readings are not accurate, but it tries to read it. That feels quite strange. Overall, for this price point, this is a great smartwatch you can easily buy. For more such informative videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.